Hello there, it's Di with WTI, and you probably wonder where I am. I'm in this amazing mosquito net made by Wise Owl. And to ensure that no mosquitoes comes in, I have to close this thing. This is Wise Owl's mosquito cover for the hammock, and it's an excellent tool for camping in the woodlands and in places where you have bugs and beautiful nature, and those two things don't always go together for a happy camper. And this protects me from the nature. It doesn't guarantee me quiet time in my hammock. It's super easy and logical to put together. You just first put the line up where you hang the net, and then after that you slide in your hammock from both ends, then tie that in the trees, and then make sure to lock these like that, so it makes sure that no bugs comes in from either of the ends. I also love how amazingly compact all the Wise Owl products are. You can use the same little pouch as a storage in your camp, and it doubles as the thing where you carry it into. This guarantees that you have beautiful nature time when you go to the forest camping. This is excellent tool for keeping the parts of nature away from you don't want to have, and keeping the parts of the nature you want to experience close to you. This will make you a happy camper, and that is my point of view.